In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add self-employment income in TurboTax. If you earn money from freelancing, contracting, gig work, or running your own small business, TurboTax makes it straightforward to report that income and the related expenses. The key is to use the self-employed version of the software. This version is designed specifically for independent earners and unlocks the full set of questions and tools you need, including the ability to complete Schedule C, which is the IRS form used to report your business income and expenses. Once you're in TurboTax Self-Employed, the program will guide you step by step. You'll be asked about your work, the type of business you have, and the ways you were paid. This is where you'll report your self-employment income, whether it came from forms like 1099 NEC or 1099-K, or from direct payments in cash. TurboTax will prompt you for totals and details, and you can enter them as you go. If you keep a spreadsheet or bookkeeping records, have them handy so your numbers are accurate and complete. Next, TurboTax will walk you through your expenses, which is just as important as reporting income. Expenses reduce your taxable profit, and the software organizes them into common categories used on Schedule C, such as supplies, advertising, professional services, and vehicle costs. If you track mileage, subscriptions, or business insurance, you'll see places to include those as well. Answer the questions as they appear and let the program do the math for you. Behind the scenes, TurboTax fills out Schedule C using what you provide. It calculates your net profit or loss from your business and carries that information to the rest of your return. If something doesn't look right, you can revisit any section and adjust entries. The guided interview is designed to catch missed items and clarify what counts as a legitimate business expense. So take your time and read the explanations that appear on each screen. A few quick tips as you move through the prompts. Keep your records nearby to avoid estimating, be consistent with how you categorize similar costs, and review the summary screens before moving on. If the software asks follow-up questions, it's typically to ensure you're getting all the deductions you're eligible for. And that's it. By using TurboTax Self-Employed and entering your income and expenses through the guided interview, you'll accurately complete Schedule C and report your self-employment income with confidence.